What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that your boyfriend likes to eat?
He likes to eat vagina.
Like a Hellcat.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're out in Jersey City making this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Please make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You can see it when I walk. I'm a Jamaican in New York. You can see it when I walk. You can see it. I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Jamaican in New York. A Jamaican in New York. Jamaican in New York.
Last week I was in Brooklyn. The week before that I was in Queens. This week I'm out in Jersey. Try and guess where I'm going to be next week for next week's video, alright? Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for supporting. Let's jump right into the video, alright?
Like a Hellcat.
So let's start with your names.
Naija.
Karma.
Ileana.
My name is Lauren.
My name is Shantasia, but everybody call me Shani.
Sarah. Kayla.
Sanaya.
My name is Nicole.
What would you do, right, if you at your best friend's house, she gets drunk, she's drunk, passed out, sleeping, you decide to take a shower and their boyfriend gets in the shower with you?
My boyfriend?
Her boyfriend.
Okay. I'm pushing him out. You need to go and I'm snitching.
Yeah, boy.
I'm most definitely telling her. That's my friend. She gotta know that you're moving like that.
Okay, so you're gonna snitch.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, now so what would you do if you go home early and your partner is in bed just going at it with someone else?
I'm walking out.
You're just gonna politely walk out.
Yes.
No drama, no nothing.
I'm not the make a scene type. So you gonna feel it when I leave though. You gonna feel it most definitely when I leave though.
What would you do if you're at a sleepover at your friend's house? She got drunk and she's fast asleep. So now you're in the shower and her boyfriend comes in the shower with you.
I would definitely get out of the shower and wake her up and tell her.
She's fast asleep?
Yeah, I would wake her up for sure.
So you're snitching.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
My friend, of course.
Alright, cool, that's okay. Alright, so what would you do if you go home early one day and your partner is in bed with another female just going at it?
I would walk right back out and never talk to them again.
Just walk right out?
Yep.
Peacefully?
Yep.
Just like that?
Yep. Whatever worth my time at that point.
What would you do if you're at a sleepover with your best friend, right? She gets drunk, so she's fast asleep. You take a shower and her boyfriend gets in the shower with you.
One thing about me, I'm gonna slap the shit out of him because what are you doing? Then we're gonna jump him. Because what are you doing? Like, it's not that like weird shit. Like, I'm gonna violate. That's weird.
So you're both gonna jump him.
Yeah, cause what is he doing? What are you doing?
Alright, cool. So now what would you do if you went home early, right? And your boyfriend is in bed with another female just going at it.
Going at it like having sex? Okay. First, I'm not making calls. First thing I'm doing is jumping in that bed. Like, I'm gonna go crazy. Like, I don't know. Like, I get AWOL. Like, as soon as I see something, it's over.
So you're gonna jump in bed and join them? Turn it into a three-way?
No, I'm not jumping in a bed three-way. Both of them's gonna get the out my house because you're bugging. You and her.
If you're at your best friend's house, right? And she got drunk, she fell asleep, and you decided to take a shower, and her boyfriend comes in the shower with you, what would you do?
Punching him in his face.
What would you do if you went home, right, and you found your partner in bed with another female just going at it?
I mean, I would probably beat the female up and then cut him off.
What did you say?
I would probably beat the female up and then cut him off.
What? So you will beat the female and just cut off your boyfriend?
Yeah.
What would you do if you're at your best friend's house? She gets drunk, so she decides to take a nap. You took a shower, and her boyfriend gets in the shower with you.
Oh, no. What? What do you mean? No, that's not happening.
So what would you do if he did come in?
Get out and leave. What you mean? Why he in the shower with me? That's too much. No.
Okay. What would you do?
I'm gonna get out and go tell her. I'm gonna wake her ass up and tell her what he doing.
Okay, cool. Now, what would you do if you went home one day and your boyfriend's in bed with another female, just going at it?
Oh, just going at it? I'm out of there. It's okay. I don't have time for nobody and all of that slackness. I'm leaving.
So you'll politely just leave.
Just leave.
Okay, what would you do?
I'm gonna go to jail. I'm finna get it.
Oh, wow.
They both finna get it.
Get what though? Like, you can give them a gift?
Stop. What do you mean? Give them a gift. What are y'all doing in our bed? Like, that's mad disrespectful.
Okay.
I'm getting their ass beat.
Alright, so she gonna catch a charge. What would you do, right, if you're at a sleepover with your best friend? She gets drunk, so she's fast asleep, right? And you get in the shower, and her boyfriend decides to come in the shower with you.
I would have definitely told my best friend. I would have woke her up and be like, "Yo, your boyfriend is trying to get in the shower with me."
Okay, alright. And if you go home early one day and you find your boyfriend in bed with another female, just going at it, what would you do?
I would definitely kick them out if it was my house. But if it wasn't, I would have took my stuff and leave.
See, you wouldn't grab nobody by the hair, you wouldn't throw anything.
Over no males. I do not fight over no boy. Little boys, no.
What would you do if you're at a sleepover, right? Your friend gets drunk, so she's passed out, she's there sleeping. You decide to go take a shower, and her boyfriend comes in the shower with you. What would you do?
I'm gonna kick him in his face. Are you crazy? That's so disrespectful.
What would you do if you went home from work early, right? And you go see your boyfriend in bed just going at it with another
I
female.
will beat his ass. My boyfriend's right there. I will beat his ass. I will beat my boyfriend's ass. Like, I would knock him out. I would knock her out. I would hit her with a pen. I would hit him with a pen.
Her boyfriend's literally behind the camera. Can you point at him and let him
Beat
know?
him with a pen.
What's about 6 inches, right? Goes in and out your mouth repeatedly until it leaves a white substance in your mouth that you rather spit out or swallow.
Dick.
Alright. What's about 6 inches? Goes in and out your mouth repeatedly until it leaves a white substance that you either spit out or swallow.
Ketchup.
Ketchup is about 6 inches.
Is that a hot dog? A hot dog? I don't know.
Goes in and out your mouth repeatedly until it leaves a white substance.
Just trying to say like a penis or something. Like
What's about 6 inches, right? Goes in and out your mouth repeatedly until it leaves like a white substance that you either spit out or swallow.
What? A dick?
What's about 6 inches? Goes in and out your mouth repeatedly until it leaves a white substance that you either spit out or swallow.
I'm still gonna think of dick. Like, that's dick.
Okay, I mean, who am I to tell you what you put in your mouth, right? If you say it's a dick, it's definitely a dick. It's about 6 inches. It goes in your mouth repeatedly, in and out, till it leaves a white substance that you rather spit out or swallow.
Like a icy or something, but it's a trick. It's supposed to be like a penis. People think it's a penis, but it's a trick.
What goes in and out your mouth repeatedly, in and out? It's about 6 inches, and it leaves a white substance in your mouth that you either spit out or swallow.
A toothbrush.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's about 6 inches, goes in and out your mouth repeatedly until it leaves a white substance that you either spit out or swallow?
I don't know.
You don't want to guess?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
Alright, the answer is a toothbrush. What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that your boyfriend likes eating? What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that your boyfriend enjoys eating?
Shit, I don't know. A peach, yeah, there we go.
What?
Nothing hairy, so
There's nothing here.
they must be talking about something else.
It's shaved.
Sure.
Yeah, boy. What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that you enjoy eating?
Well, I'm not so it ain't no vagina.
It's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that you enjoy eating.
A kiwi?
What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that you enjoy eating?
Child, I don't know what that is. I don't know. I don't eat nothing hairy.
No, it's only hairy on the outside, it's soft and wet on the inside.
A coconut?
Well, yeah, you're right. It's a coconut or a kiwi fruit. What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that you enjoy eating?
Kiwi.
What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that your boyfriend likes to eat?
He likes to eat vagina.
What did you say?
He likes to eat vagina. Listen, what man doesn't like to?
What's hairy on the outside, soft and wet on the inside that your boyfriend probably likes eating?
My
Ones and ones won't deal with. Alright, boom. So to make it to the end of the video, first let me thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Please remember to like, comment, and share. Alright, so now for the competition. Alright, so how the winners of this competition will be selected. Wait, first let me go over the competition rules so that everybody gets what they're supposed to do. And yes, each video will contain 3 numbers in the video. I am very sure that I placed 3 numbers in the videos, so you don't have to ask me if there are 3 numbers in the video or if I am sure that I put 3 numbers in the video, because this video, along with the 2 previous videos, there are 3 numbers in them. I'm very, very sure. Now, going forward, here's what's going to happen going forward. The competition will be ending on the 30th of May, right? So that's the last day for the competition. Now, for the rules of the competition, first, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You must be following me on Instagram. You must like the video on YouTube. You must comment on the video on YouTube. Then you're to locate the 3 numbers in the video. Send me these 3 numbers. Feel free to message me in either Instagram or WhatsApp. I will send you the video clip that you're supposed to upload and comment my @ in that video. All right, and that's how you enter the competition. Now, for how the winners will be selected. All right, so I was going back and forth wondering whether or not I should do a raffle to select the winners or should it be first come, first serve. And so I did a poll on my Instagram page as well as on my WhatsApp status. And majority of the persons voted that I do it first come, first serve. So now going forward, after this video, there will be a series of videos released every Sunday up until the 30th of this month. All right, so that will be the 30th of May. Now, all videos won't have the numbers in them, right? So I will not tell you which videos have the numbers. However, once there are numbers placed in a video, it will be 3 numbers in that video. All right, so now this video has the 3 numbers in it, but going forward, I will not be telling you which videos have numbers in them. So you will have to look for yourself and know to find out if there are videos in that, if there are numbers in that particular video that you're watching. So every Sunday there will be a video released, but Now, every video will have the 3 numbers. So there are 6 numbers left, right? So you will have to find these 6 numbers by watching the videos that I will be releasing every Sunday, right? And again, the competition ends on the 30th. So the first person to send me all the correct numbers will of course be the first place winner, and this person will win an iPhone 12. It's no longer an iPhone 11, it's an iPhone 12, right? The second person to send me all the correct numbers will win an iPhone 8 Plus, and the third person to send me all the correct numbers will win 200 US. Now, good luck, guys. I will not be telling you whether or not the numbers that you submit are correct or incorrect. However, I will tell you this. Once you locate the numbers in the videos, you will be sure that these are the numbers that you're looking for. If you have to guess and wonder if these numbers are correct, that means the numbers are incorrect. Because once you see the correct numbers, you will definitely know that these are the numbers that I am looking for. Now, with that being said, going forward, 2 videos are left that contains 3 numbers in them. However, I will not tell you which 2 videos has the 3 numbers. So you are going to have to find these videos on your own, and I will not tell you if the numbers that you submit are correct or incorrect. So with that being said, good luck, guys, and thank you guys for taking part. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all of it. Please remember to like, comment, share, definitely subscribe. All right, I'm out.